know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, he get packed on. Becky B catching alleys on backboards. I do.
Phone's burnt, make it quick.
I'm like your one friend, Aiden. You should be nicer to me.
Great. I'm hanging up now.
It's a job, jackass. Fix your gig. I can't take it. Travel restrictions.
I told you I'm not doing that hired gun work anymore.
Oh, come on. It's corporate espionage. Scumbags screwing scumbags. No bystanders. Huge payday.
Mm-hmm. What's the catch?
It's in London, which is not the easiest place to get to these days.
London. It's where Jackson lives.
Yeah. Why do you think I called you, asshole?
Okay, I gotta go.
To help you blend in, everyone here must wear one now. Your car fell through. The London bombings, they changed everything. Many things are hard to get now.
Car won't be a problem.
Oui, good, but it is also your flat. You have somewhere else you can go, family?
It's complicated.
It is okay. Still family, no? You will see.
Yeah. I will see.
Thank you for accepting Fixer Contract 113844242. Investigate merger between Brokatech Corporation and Rampart Automated Defense Systems SA. Hereafter, Rampart SA. Rampart SA is a French private security firm specializing in robotic forces. Last April, they made overtures to acquire London's Brokatech, which specializes in advanced AI systems. But negotiations have stalled. Thomas Rampart, CEO of Rampart SA, sabotaged the deal after Brokatech spun off its Deep Labs division into a new corporate entity. But even without the Deep Labs, shareholders of both companies stand to make millions. So why is Thomas Rampart doing this? Objective. Rampart's delay is illegal under French law. Infiltrate the deep labs and discover what Thomas Rempart is willing to risk lawsuits over. Recover documentation and physical samples to support. ROE, discretion recommended.
Get in, get the evidence, get out. Pretty tame as fixer contracts go. Nobody's home. Why would they leave the lab unguarded? What the hell was that? Gotta make this quick. I need to find a security hub. Might be a way to unlock that door in there.
Fortunately, our surveillance team found out that Rempart is mostly interested in a piece of technology being developed by our Deep Labs division. Something called the Broker Bridge. The whole acquisition is just a ploy to get it.
So Rampart's after something called the Broker Bridge. Whole acquisition attempt was just his way to get in. I should keep going. The door might be unlocked now. What could this be? Client will want some photos. None of this is legal. Not that it matters. Client wants the fruit. They don't care if the tree's poisoned.
Stand down. Stand down.
Don't like the sound of that. Should keep moving. Electric burns, random though. Some kind of taser weapon, but not a gun. I'm definitely anyone here. Rampart's Mark II robots don't work without this broker bridge, and he's already sold 1 million units. So, he needs the gadget or he's screwed. If I can get my hands on a prototype, then I'm done here. Locked. Should see if there's a closed circuit box around here. If I hack it or take it out, should let me through.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
This is going south fast. Need to get evidence and get out. Smart. Brokatech's corporate spies cloned Rempart's webcam feed. What's the most recent recording?
Yes, thank you. I understand. You're saying that Brokatech will agree to a merger as long as I step down as CEO.
That's right, but right now...
What are the terms? Nothing favorable?
Enough, the board has to listen. Look, Thomas...
So I'm fucked. If I don't step down, I don't get the broker bridge and I'm jailed for fraud. And if I do, they probably throw me under the bus anyways. And then all this is a waste of time.
Stop talking. Thomas, I've been trying to tell you, we believe our networks have been penetrated. They're probably watching right now.
Shit!
So that's Thomas Rempart. Man-child with a private army. Dangerous combination.
Broker bridge chamber unsealed. Please ensure your identification is visible at all times.
Okay. So this other intruder can either cause remote equipment malfunctions, or they're invisible. Broker bridge chamber. Sounds like that's where I need to go. This must be where they make this broker bridge. Might as well get some photos of this, too. That'll do it. Now I just gotta grab this thing and get out of here. Then I guess I oughta look up Jax.
Easy. Hey, I know you.
Give me that.
This, no.
3.
I need it for a thing.
2.
Okay, I guess we're doing this.
What the hell?
Man, you are spry for an old guy.
Just drop the device and you can go.
No, I told you I need it.
This isn't personal. Just stop.
Speak for yourself. You stop.
Not gonna happen.
Why do you want this thing so bad?
It's just a job.
A job? Just slack off for a day like a normal person.
You're starting to get on my nerves.
Yeah? Yeah, I get that a lot.
Nice try, pal, but you're out of runway. Open the door.
No thanks.
You're from that DedSec group in San Francisco, aren't you?
You mean the one that busted you out of a cage guarded by 20 Eastern European gangsters?
I seem to remember that was mostly your friend. But now you're alone. This isn't a DedSec op, is it?
Yeah, well, I grew out of DedSec ops a long time ago.
Suspect in custody. my people dug this out of your chest. If it was 1 inch in any other direction, we wouldn't be talking. I read the files you downloaded from Brokatech. The ones about me. They're all technically true, yeah, but I feel like they didn't quite give you the full story. This is the Mark I. Simple AI, good for simple things. The Mark II will be controlled by the thoughts of a human pilot. Military, police, it'll all be transformed overnight. But one day, these will permanently hold a human mind. No more death. No more limitations. We'll be able to live on Mars like it was Maui. And for all this, all I need is that little device stolen by your partner. The one in the stupid mask?
I don't know that guy.
Silence was a better strategy than lying there, Mr. Pierce.
Are you done? Look, I don't know that guy. I can find him. I'm good at that. You just have to let me go.
I just don't think I can trust you without some kind of insurance. Perhaps your nephew, Jackson? He lives in London, doesn't he?
I offered you a good deal. Take it.
Yeah, look, I want to believe you. I really do. But I just can't. Not yet. I'll return once my little helper here has made you a bit more trustworthy.
If you're still listening, wait. Look, I've been here before. I know how this goes. If I go after you, you go after Jax. And even if I win, then your people go after my people. And on and on and on and on. And I don't have much of that left in me.
That's not good. Better get him out of there.
I don't know, Wrench. But I can help you find him. You're obviously new at this. Still think torture works. Something tells me that was a rampart. Should get my stuff and get out of here.
They gon' act, but they know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, you get packed on. Becky B catching alleys on backboards. I do 10, they get let off the line.